This is for you that need total turnaround in everything you do. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel if you love spiritual tips. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. Like the title says, mix with warm water. Only thing you have to do is to mix these two items with warm water, and you see things turning around for you. Like, this is for those people that need total turnaround in everything they do. Whether you are a business person, you are doing online business, anything you are doing at all, try this and you see a total turnaround in your life. In case you are new here, you are so welcome. In this channel, I share spiritual tips, messages, spiritual tips that will help your spiritual life greatly, just like this. Okay, I use natural things like this to show you how to use them spiritually for your own advantage. You doing it rightly, follow the instructions. You see things working perfectly, just like a magic. So do subscribe to get updates of new videos. But I want to tell you that without faith, things on this channel will not work for you. Everything is faith, nothing magic. I'm not doing magic here. So I'm just showing you how to use all these things, doing it yourself for your own advantage, teaching you how to do your spiritual work yourself, using things you can find around you. Things created by God anyway. And you have to invite the presence of God. That one is very mandatory. Like inviting the presence of God, summoning God, like telling God that you cannot do this thing without Him. And you see it working very fast, just like a magic. So you have to get cinnamon. Like I always say, cinnamon attracts wealth. It opens doors. It makes the work of your hands to prosper. Anything you are doing at all, it will make it prosper. So this is mainly for those that have something doing. But in case you don't have something doing, this can also bring favor to you. Okay, making people to favor you. But it will not bless you greatly like someone that is working. Like what I'm trying to say is that if you have something doing, it will manifest greatly. You have to make sure you are working, or you have a business, or you have like something doing at all, even if that thing is just a little, for it to work powerfully. So I will tell you how to make use of it in different areas of your life. So this is cinnamon, and it attracts wealth. It opens doors. It makes difficult things to become so easy. Okay, with your prayers, of course. So before you do this, you have to make sure you tell God to forgive your iniquities, and inviting the presence of God, telling the Holy Spirit to flow into this item and make it work very well for you. So you have to also get sugar. Okay, sugar is sweet, and you want your life to be sweet, of course. So people will look you, when people see you, they will just love you. That is what you need. These things will help to make life better. It will make people that despise you to start loving you. In case you make use of this particular work and people run away from you, for example, just know that that is the will of God. They are not meant to be in your life. But I want to tell you that you surely notice a great change from these two. So sugar will help to make things, good things to come your way. It's full of positivity, as well as cinnamon. These two items, it brings good things like drawing wealth, drawing success, other good things like open doors. It makes your business to flourish too, for people to patronize you, for everything to be going smoothly for you. If you want protection video, just check my channel. You see lots of them. Every title will tell you the one to use. You know what you need. So just check the titles. You know what you need. It's going to direct you. And by the grace of God, those videos are well explained. Okay, so what you have to do, just get your cinnamon powder and also get sugar. So get hot water, pour it in a bowl. Okay, just transfer hot water. Make sure the water has boiled very well and it's very hot. So you have to add some amount of cinnamon powder, about half tablespoon or more. Like I always say, do not add it too much, saying that the more of it, the more effective. No. So the sugar as well, you have to add about 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons only. After adding it into that water, please do not allow this water to get cool. Only thing you have to do, as it's still hot, Try a way to mix it. You can use your something to turn it because it's hot, of course. Just mix it with something, mix it, and make sure that the cinnamon and the sugar dissolves. The cinnamon does not dissolve very well anyway, but the sugar will dissolve completely. So after that, you have to use it like that as it's still hot. Sprinkle around your house. Even if you have a shop, okay, you may not need to sprinkle it in your shop. I want to tell you that even if you sprinkle it around your house, it will still be very effective. But because of the cinnamon, which can stain the wall of your house, do not sprinkle this on the walls. Just sparingly. Just make sure it touches some part of the house, not everywhere, not on the wall, please. So this, as you are doing it, you have to be praying, telling God that He should draw success to your house, He should bring all good things to you, He should open doors for you. He should make those things that seems impossible to become possible. If you're a business person, start praying, telling God that your business, you want your business to move forward. Anything you desire in life, start saying it as you sprinkle it around the house. So another way to do this is to use it to wash your face, but you have to allow it to cool a little. Okay, because you don't want this water to burn your face. Use it to wash your face. Make sure it's warm. Do not allow it to get cool. Okay, as you are using it to wash your face, be praying that you want people to see you and love you and favor you. And if you desire contracts, any kind of blessings, be using it to wash your face. And this is going to make people to love you anywhere you go. So you sprinkling it around the house will also help you in your working place. Yes. If you are using it for yourself, be personalizing it, calling your name as you are doing so, praying. Prayer is very important here. And without God, this will not work. So tell God that you cannot do it alone, that you need Him here. Okay, you need Him in this. And make sure your faith is there for it to be very effective. So do not do this when you are flowing, when you are seeing your period, if you are a lady. And do not do it, after meeting your partner. Okay, so these are the things, these are one of the things that will make your spiritual work not to turn out good. So go on and mix cinnamon and sugar into hot water. Use it the way I just said, and you see that open doors will locate you. Good things will locate you by the grace of God. So go on and try it, and God will bless you richly. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. Remain blessed as always. I'll see you in my next video.